How to invite friends on Temu app. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Starting off, launch a Temu application in your device. If you have not logged in yet, make sure to log in into your Temu app. Make sure it is up to date as well. To invite your friends on your Temu app, select on the U icon which is at the bottom of your dashboard. Then in your right hand corner, next to the headset icon, click on the setting icon. From here, at the bottom you will see share this app. Simply copy the link or send via the given application. This is one of the ways to invite your friends over. Second way is if you are a brand new user of Temu app. In that case, you can order up an item of your Temu application. While you are checking out, to buy the item that you want to purchase, you will get the option of refer to a friend or send it to a friend. However, this is only if you are a brand new user. Now, if you want to share an item of Temu, just tap on the item that you want to share along with a friend. At the very top, you will see an arrow icon. Click on it. Then again, you can share via the given application or just copy the link and paste it or share it with the friends and family. And that's all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.